what do you have here today?
We have all the dinosaurs.
This is called a FurReal dinosaur toys.
Wow.
Ooh, it talks. Baby Dino loves to be funny at treat time. That means when you give it food, it gets so excited.
Wow.
35 plus sounds and motion combo. You could feed it, you could pet it. It's a baby bottle. And you have the broccoli. And you have, I'm guessing, a cookies. You ready to open it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Go ahead. If you need help, I'll help you. Use your strength. You could do it. Okay, let's see. Let mommy help you out. Wait, hold on. Yes, I'll help you. Okay. Let mommy help you. Excuse me.
Okay. Whoa. Open the door. Ooh.
Oh, there's an off and on. Yes.
Wow. Open the door, please. Oh. Okay. Ooh, okay. A baby bowl. Wow. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Wait. Okay.
Okay, go ahead, back over there.
Okay. Wow. Woo.
Okay, what's the first thing you want to do? Can we try it out? Can we try to feed him the cookies?
Yeah.
Let's see what happens. Uh-oh.
Love it.
Why is he's not moving? I think we have to activate him. You ready? Let's hear
Fear the dinosaur.
demo on and demo off. Let's see. What happened, Dino? It's eating it. Go on your knees, Noah. Go on your knees. Yeah, perfect. Ooh, pet it. That's so. No type of dinosaur is this? Do you know?
Yeah.
What dinosaur is that?
It's a rocket.
It's a raptor.
Yeah.
You sure?
Hmm?
Okay. Can you try to feed it the broccoli? Yum, 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 yum.
Okay. Yum. Okay. Tell me why you.
No cookies. Oh, you gotta pull it out. You gotta pull it. Oh, good job. He's not eating it. you giving the baby dino his bottle? Does he like it?
Yeah.
It's yummy.
Yeah.
Okay, what did I see? What else? What other cool stuff that it could do?
Cookie.
Okay, so it takes a lot of batteries. Can you take the cookies out, please?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give me bottle. Ew.
So the dinosaur has it actually has button right here inside of its nose. If you press it, it makes the noise. See? Wait. Come here, dinosaur. Come here. Whoa. Whoa, that was cool. So you have to push it down. You have to push it down. Oh, it says I love you.
Mommy,
Yes?
can you tell?
Huh?
With the water bottle.
Would you like to give the dinosaur its bottle now?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Let me get up. Do I did?
That's fine. Go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, the twitchy. Like the bottle.
Does he like his milk?
No, no, it's a bottle, baby.
Yeah, it's a bottle, but for babies drink milk.
It's not milk. That's the baby raptor. What? Wait, twitchy?
The baby raptor eats cookies.
Oh, I forgot.
That's a cool toy.
Yeah, it is.
It says to activate it, gotta press.
Wait. Oh, whoa! Wow.
I think he ate it. Here, take it out. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it. Wait, you have to take it out first. You have to take it out first. Take it out first. You press it. Wait, take it out. Take it out, because let's see what happens again.
What day? You don't eat it. No.
Oh no.
Okay.
I think the dinosaur is tired and he might want to take a nap. Wait.
What do we?
Let's see. Hold on. He ate it up. He ate it all up.
Not yet. Let's see. Oh, not yet. Yeah. No. Dad.
Oh my goodness.
Mommy, wait, let's do the dinosaur egg.
Yes, we're doing the dinosaur eggs next. You ready?
Ready.
You press it again.
Don't you? Yeah. You want ear? Yeah, I want ear. Oh, yeah. Now. Eat.
Whoa. That's so cool.
I want bottle. Oh, there's a bottle.
I like you.
I want bottle.
It's drinking it.
Yeah.
Press it. You have to press it really, really hard.
Oh! Yeah.
Whoa. He ate it all up. I think he was hungry. Uh-oh. I think it's time for Dino to take a nap. Don't you think so? Don't you think so? It's time for Dino to take a nap?
I don't want you to go now.
I think you should give Dino some broccoli instead of cookies. Broccoli is good for you. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's see if Dino gets excited. Good.
Dimmy.
You have to be gentle.
Oh,
No, we're supposed to give the Dino the broccoli, not the cookies.
Dad. That's fine.
Yeah, pet it. How does it feel? Is it soft or is it hard? How does it feel? Is it soft or is it hard?
It's hard.
It's hard?
Yeah.
Feels a little soft. Skin feels a little soft.
Yeah. Wait,
Yeah.
Mommy, I see something right here.
See something?
Yeah.
What do you see?
I see this. What do I want?
Ooh, let's look at some of the really nice colors. Look at the tails. Ooh, give it a nice spin. Slow, nice and slow. Ooh, that's nice. What colors is this dinosaur? What's this color right here?
Yellow and
Good. And what's the dot? What color is the dot?
purple.
Good. And then what color is this here? The main skin of the dinosaur.
Red.
What color? Look right here. Look right here. What color?
Red.
Green.
Green. You right, Mommy.
I am right. That is so cool. Okay, say bye-bye to our FurReal dino. That's yellow.
No, what are they?
Or purple.
Thank you. What are they?
Purple and orange.
What is this?
Green.
And what is this?
Purple.
Okay. And what is this?
That's pink.
And what is this?
That's purple.
And what is this?
Orange. Okay, let's see if we're ready for the dinosaur eggs.
Yay! Bye-bye, Dr. Egg. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, water. Oh, good. Nice.
You got the dinosaur doing a flip?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's amazing.
And it goes backward.
Okay, it goes backward and forward.
Backward, forward. Whoa! Mommy, we're doing it. Whoa, wow.
Okay, it's time to open.